extra hand helps me.
How to collect the waste.
Let's build the garbage truck.
The main engine. Install the motor. Install the wheels. Connect to the battery. Install the garbage net.
Wow!
Waste collection in Seaside City.
Let's clean up the waste.
Great job, garbage truck.
Wow, they clean up fast.
This truck is so efficient.
Yeah, this garbage truck is amazing.
Impressive work, garbage truck.
The truck's doing an amazing job.
Clean streets, thanks to the truck.
Thanks you. Great, Alex. We need to clean the beach more. Waste collection at the beach.
Oh no, it's full of trash.
This beach is a garbage dump.
I will clean up cardboard waste first. Let's finish cleaning up the waste.
How to manage the waste. Step 1. Build the waste treatment system. Step 2. Manage the waste. Atlantic Ocean. Lego ship.
All over the world, the large water vortex is occurring.
Let's see my whirlpool.
How to build the whirlpool. Step 1. Build the engine. Add the engine. Step 2. Complete assembly. Add the battery. Testing. Blue watercolor. Minifigures.
I can destroy the world now.
Lego airplane. Pacific Ocean. Currently at the Arctic Ocean, the ice is melting rapidly.
We are being pulled down into a whirlpool.
Help me! Help me!
Oh no! Somebody help.
There's a shark approaching.
Stay away from me.
I'm coming now.
Lego zipline.
I catch you.
The tornado is too strong.
Indian Ocean. Lego bridge. Alex's laboratory. Out of control power. Criminals headquarters.
Have you found out who stole all of my money yet?
Not yet, sir. It's him.
Beyond the sea.
Catch me if you can, boss.
Bastard, destroy his boat and bring all the money back now.
Yes, sir.
How to build the wave machine. Step 1. Build the body. Pillars of machine. Step 2. Build the pedals. Check how it works. Attach the gears to the machine. Connect them to the wave generator. Check it. Add the pedals made by wheels. Step 3. Connect to the engine. Install the connection area. Testing with a water tank. Let's start now. Add colorful capsule balls. Succeed. The wave machine.
Oh my god, it's so big.
3, 2, 1, go!
The wave is huge. I'm feeling dizzy. Please stop the damn machine. Stop, help me.
I'm so seasick.
My money is sinking.
Damn it.
Although the money is gone, you can't sink my boat.
You bastards, kill him right now.
Yes, sir.
It's really terrible. The streets are filled with garbage. Mouses, cockroaches, and flies are appearing everywhere.
Ew!
The people are advised to wear masks when going outside.
If trash is not cleaned up, there is a risk of disease outbreaks.
The air is heavily polluted.
My garbage truck is broken. I can't collect the garbage anymore.
No problem. I'll build a new garbage truck for you. How to build the garbage truck. Step 1. Build the body. Step 2. Build the lifting and pushing arm. Step 3. Build the garbage compartment. Step 4. Build the engine. Testing.
Great, I can continue my work now.
All right, Alex, let's clean up the streets together.
Everyone, I come back with my new garbage truck.
You'll work well.
Wish you work efficiently.
Welcome back. Let's start collecting trash now. Great, it's exactly what it works.
Keep up the good work cleaning.
You do very well.
Look what I do.
Hang in there, Alex.
Thank you for helping to clean our environment.
I'm done.
This morning, a giant Orbeez rain occurred at Lego Park. The sudden rain caused heavy damage to the park.
Let's go. Mr. Hand, we need to help them clean up the giant Orbeez at the park. We are here to help you.
What a great garbage truck.
Marvelous.
I did it.
Yeah!
Orbeez have been completely collected. The park is clean again.
You are very kind.
Thank you.
Recyclable waste. Organic waste. Dangerous waste. Aquarium Park.
Here are your tickets.
Thank you. The goldfish are swimming. Welcome to Aquarium Park. Have a great time exploring.
Hey, Ollie, let's begin the shark show.
Okay. Look, it's a big shark.
It's so big. This is the first time I've seen a shark. Help me!
Run quickly.
The shark show cannot be canceled. We must build a modern bridge.
How to build the hydraulic bridge. Step 1. Build the bridge pylon. Step 2. Build the bridge desk. Step 3. Complete assembly. Add the bridge cables. Add an engine. Add an extra lanes. And more.
Let's test it. Please raise the bridge. The bridge is working very smooth. Let's running the park.
Welcome to the Aquarium Park.
Please buy tickets at the counter.
Show me a ticket.
Enjoy your visit. I'm really impressed with the fish here.
I feel like I'm submerged in an underwater world.
It's so relaxing and peaceful.
The sharks are so scary.
Those sharks are absolutely breathtaking.
Tourists move off the bridge, please.
I've learned so much about underwater life.
The aquarium is beautiful and well maintained.
I'll be sure to visit again.
Tickets are sold out. See you soon.